for Yamamuni Akwaba, a Bam Melodies podcast YouTube channel. So, yes, right. And there, your first time we have subscribed and click the notification bell on the so. Am I breaking news at Airbus here? No. And then your first time I'm subscribing. Make sure send your people screen so not just say wait this is a pepe. Am I? Okay, and then that screen says this here and I said this is a pepe. Am I? Oh yeah, number 9 at that screen now see no. We'll be to me after and then actually come on. Assembly what say what trust here and I say I'm going for a voice on any political issue in Ghana. Will be to me and then yeah, we have from not just the views at all. Mr. Sana Mania found to was happening ADD at them and now free ADD at them. Who did at them man? Young see the best in equal measure. And here for young qua in some so breaking news at Airbus say IGP boss Yasakeno. IGP boss no Yasakeno. But when him say in Yamabi say about the presidency at the news na Airbus Bontia, I'm trying to say IGP boss has been sacked. It goes against the rules of communication. It will just mean say you are being rude. What you say? It you know you will be you send me a kasa once and 24 kasa sebi in sembi wo ye kana sana ye kana trasa intana ye bebuo kasa kwana nyama no in sembi wo a ohwa ukọ the plane sana ya na ye beka se boni ente ye intino in sembi wo a ye de bebuo ne kasa kwa na eka na we no kasa kwa ana bebuo mu a wo mo de ba ya say the president has asked the IGP to proceed on leave. And only in Sema, I said the president has asked the IGP to proceed on leave. But in some day, the TNT and they say President Asake IGP a year appear to President Asake IGP a year appear to. Now, I'll just like us to discuss the reason why President Betumi Asake appear to. I just have some small reasons simply why, but no one will actually know why because woman Babon saying the reason why a president Asake a IGP no but news at Airbus is here no director of communications at the presidency Eugene Ahin him say time bia Eugene Ahin beba bonten edensem abetu dwane na chesensem no ano ohye intini Eugene Ahin any breaking news no say the IGP David Apietu has been and a friend David Asante Apietu and a friend David Asante Apietu has been asked to proceed on leave. Into assembly there, send ya medical can you can proceed on leave. The tentin in it and say Juma wo ye ne jemu na ko. And then the tentin in it and say ya pami way for jumem into no into no that's the up and down and that's the long and short of the matter. Into no still President Akufo-Addo still in the business. Okay, it's here for now me person me call the reasons why David Apietu can or would be sacked. Now depending on your political side no meaning say you reasons need be what say okay right here best I can meaning say reasons be also abeka say you're wrong say yes I can I say mixed reaction and a mixed feeling because first munim say kidnapping cases are dozen ewa Ghana has say it's as if the IGP is not on top of that particular issue. Yenim sending violent cases, Ghana, robbery cases, kidnapping cases, it's as if these bad things no are at their top high in the history of this country. Now, se BBC na say police penny at your mind one, not just a police penny no sebe. Wejuma ensoeni. Now Melo the man who say Ghana has say about IGP pan. IGP is not at the helm of affairs. They say Muni Amobekai embra violent case cause war Ayawaso West work on earlier this year. Now commission, ye sent a commission say ye should send mudesi you know. Ye free IGP by Emma never can and say now IGP in some work and look to say no crown. Now we need the air cost Ayawaso hono. Now we no create him say ye deploy police for say woman got dresses say woman share mask. Enko into your hono and a Ghana for a chance some can say IGP way there sebe Nejuma and Sweeney. Now some other kaya a year Ofosuampo for the alleged leak tape from Ofosuampo for Ebayano. Now and Okawamoka won't say a year police phone penny for the car say IGP way there sebe when you're bad do. Yen kama sa say oh emba de omoni na de na but ye kan enodin a eya na nkrofu bebre associate enodin to Imbema. Internet ya yetimi ka say we dey Berima ba no. Inti ni gofo bebre ka say IGP we dey or very weak and only say ma ofoso ampofo the alleged leak tape eba abonte no na NDC form penifo no wo mo kan ewom say IGP we dey say wa bon IGP we dey wo ye weak say police form penifo soldier form penifo security form penifo ka say IGP we dey wo nya there. It's based on those grounds no a lot of people see the IGP as being weak because politics is painting with that picture. And I was West work on in some to see and violent cases are air course of Ghana. We share kidnapping cases air course of Ghana, robbery cases air course of Ghana. No, you go for be a painting as week, and so he has that image out. It's based on that image, no, and no can to me I can say the IGP needs to be sacked. Based on that first one, over to me I can say the IGP actually needs to be sacked. Now the second image is now saying assembly and story be viral. Say IGP the secretariat and the head of secretariat at the IGP na David Apietu nipa na wohwe ne krata nsem nipa wo meeting na wohye nkrata ma no otumi ka tene say oh ha say no ko kan nsem we aha say matro we ama ko na ko ready asem we ama tro ma no nyama no nipa na wohwe san nsem ni nya so ema David Apietu the IGP no nipa no nansen ya wo resign from police force woko peke form say wo pese wo be dane parliamentarian ema NDC. Inti anonso ya asema eba ka say hey se nipa kese we say wo ben IGP no wo ye NDC ni ana tre say IGP no just say wontumi anye the background checks well because still we'll go back to ofoso ampo for leak tape no ni mu no yet say wo mo ka say and I mean say ofoso ampo for alleged leak tape so na say me ka no inti the alleged leak tape ni mu no yet say wo mo ka say some sources in the police force said the voice now alleged say ofoso ampo voice no or can I say some top and some deep rooted sources in the police force they be a womama NDC for omo leaked information of things that are going on in the police. Intino engofo sorry like I say na say IGP nipa wo hwe ne nkrata say nipa wo nim ensem bebre efa IGP won say ba documentary and a document ensem no so wa resign na wa stand as as parliamentarian on behalf of the NDC and actually say wono ebeka nkrofo na wo mu leaking information na NDC for no nti ya no na actually say IGP no yenye nhwehwemu emfa ne ho yenhwe say na wonim say nipa wo ye NDC ni ana say na wonim eno ne sema eno so ba ye tubu asem na make no na wonim say tubu no ye NDC ni ana no wonim say tubu no wonye NDC ni nti no way so a matter of concern and ankrofo raise during this week and last week. Say last week na asem no eba intino we so has been a matter of concern. Intino say endra kra na mete say you say defense committee wo mo set up a committee na che say wo mo ahwem o mo investigate IGP no say IGP no woni bibiri efa assembly ho ana nti me sure say committee no wo mo de mo report akoma president internal president wa pame IGP no nti no sisi ano asem na ye de beto ho ne say okay nti sisi a who can be and who can be the next IGP. Now it's here for these are the names. 1 Mr. Dampare, 2 Kwesi Boachi, 3 Yaya Mame Tiwa Mame Tiwa yes here the 4 boss no Tiwa do dankwa and the hair or no and think of 3 way na so far meaning say they can be and are they in the position to be the next IGP. Now in Grofoso at the politics if you say what shall send your mammy Tiwa you raising the fast echo do hona natural say you per se you fan as IGP. Now maybe me who say mammy Tiwa has a very bad image when it comes to the Ghanaian public. If the president picks Mammy Tiwa as the IGP, I think it will be a shot in the foot of the presidency himself. That's what I think. because wo share kidnapping sem kokoso ensem Mami Tiwa ba bonten be kan ye ono nso ni leaked audio e ba bonten embra Kwame A+ ensem ba wo share how he has been attacking Oyusu CID attacking NDC4 na eba MPP for nsema na no de wa relax na nyama no eba vigilante nsema na wa relax but NDC4 ko ye bibi pe no wa attack the image she has outside there no akoye say she's pro MPP. That's the image that has been painted on her. And now on understand, so she hasn't done anything to prove herself wrong, or she hasn't done anything to prove say oh okay I did way out nkrofo cano asema ye de ato ne so keke wono so efo aso otumi ye nyama bi ma hu se dabi insema o mo kana ne kre ntino to me no I think she has an image crisis, and she has issue with her image. What you say, the image outside Ghana for people interested in the CID now, even Martin Amidu Kra interested in the CID, Anas when they are interested in the CID interna Anas assembly by one fan comma CID what they come a special prosecutor, because Anas natural letter babon says CID for there more than and say no into me interested more into I think Mami Tiwa has I mean an image crisis and an image issues when it comes to fairness. And I hear him say the police there, at least even if you are not fair, you have to paint the image say you are fair. And you know, I think say Kofi Boakye will be right for the job because he near him no. But it's here for Chewa Jane our comment box ni mo me da say.